Hi everyone, and welcome back to Love Raw, where we explore natural and powerful ways to heal, to energize, and restore harmony back into the body. Today, we're diving in deep to one of the most ancient and effective healing tools we have, fasting. So what exactly is fasting anyway? At its core, fasting is simply taking a break from constant digestion, allowing our bodies to rest, repair, and reset. Instead of spending energy constantly breaking down food, our bodies can shift into a deep healing mode where we're able to clear out damaged cells, balance hormones, and restore energy within the body.
Fasting improves metabolic health. It's characterized by a normal blood sugar level, blood pressure, cholesterol level, and a healthy body weight. Good metabolic health means your body responds to food without unhealthy spikes in blood sugar, blood fats, and inflammation. I will be going over in more detail about metabolic health and why it is so important in a future video, especially if you're dealing with a chronic health condition. Gently tap the subscribe button and watch to the end of this video to hear my personal experience with fasting. So what are the benefits of fasting? When you fast, something magical starts to happen in your body. Your digestive system gets a rest, allowing your body to go into healing mode. Inflammation is decreased, which helps to reduce pain and also boost the immune system. Autophagy kicks in. So this is a natural process where your body recycles old and damaged cells. It's like a cellular cleanup. And you have improved mental clarity. You gain emotional balance, and you have a deeper connection with your body. Fasting isn't just about food. It's about healing on all levels: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. So let's go over the different types of fasting. There are many, many ways to fast, depending on your goals and your experience level. Now, as I go through the different types of fasting, I want you to keep in mind that our body burns three different kinds of fuels: glucose, fats, and proteins. These fuels are very much affected when we fast. So the first type of fasting is intermittent fasting. This is one of the most popular and easiest ways to start. It involves eating within a set window of time. One of the most popular is the 8-hour feeding window and the 16-hour fasting window. When we intermittent fast, we'll experience weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, meaning it helps to lower our blood sugar and improves the body's response to insulin. We get lower blood pressure and it improves our cholesterol levels. I love intermittent fasting. It's something that I do every single day, and I highly recommend. So now we're going to talk about water-only fasting. Now, once you start a water fast, you are consuming only water. No juice, no food, and hopefully the water you're drinking is distilled or reverse osmosis water. So after 24 hours, your digestive system starts to reset and your gut lining starts to get repaired. After 24 hours, your body will have burned off the majority of the glucose, and low insulin levels is going to trigger your liver to switch from a sugar burner to a fat burner. And your body will start to produce ketones and use that for energy. So once you're burning fat for fuel, this process is called ketosis. Please keep in mind that the timeline I'm giving you is just a guideline. Some people might get into ketosis more quickly. Some people might take a little bit longer. Everybody is different. But the more you fast, the more likely it is you'll get into ketosis more quickly. So the 48-hour water fast activates deeper detoxification and cellular repair through a process that I talked about earlier called autophagy. If you remember, this is a natural process for your body to clean up old, damaged, dysfunctional parts of the cell. It's like a cellular recycling system so that your cells can work more efficiently. You have enhanced cognitive function with the 48-hour fast, reduced inflammation, and there is a reset of the dopamine receptor sites. so that you experience more joy. The 48-hour fast is great for anyone that's experiencing depression, anxiety, or just wants to feel overall more happier. This 72-hour water fast can reboot the immune system, increase stem cell production, which in turn increases opportunity to self-heal and deeply cleanse the body. Through the increased cellular cleanup with autophagy, you can increase opportunities to heal chronic health conditions. However, please keep in mind that when you approach these longer fasts, do it through awareness, preparation, and ideally professional guidance. Juice fasting is flooding the body with living enzymes, vitamins, and minerals while still giving the digestive system a rest. Fresh vegetable and green juices are a gentle yet powerful cleansing option. Hippocrates Wellness is one of many supporters of juice fasting and believe that the green drinks allow for greater detoxification with less discomfort than water-only fasting. They have found that juice fasting is as effective as water-only fasting while still strengthening and nourishing the body. The fast mimicking diet, or the FMD, this is a newer science-based approach where you eat small amounts of plant-based foods designed to mimic fasting at the cellular level. The FMD is a 5-day program which is low in protein and sugars and rich in healthy fats. The FMD is scientifically developed and clinically tested to be as effective as water fasting. This nutritional breakthrough was invented at the University of Southern California, led by Dr. Walter Longo of the USC Longevity Institute. You still eat, but your body thinks you're fasting. The FMD supports longevity, cellular repair, and metabolic health while being easier to maintain. So how long should you fast? The ideal fasting length depends upon your experience and your health goals. If you're new, start with intermittent fasting or juice fasting. When you feel you're ready, gradually explore 24-hour or 36-hour fasts once your body adapts to fasting. Longer fasts like 48-hour or 72-hour should be done occasionally and mindfully. Back in 2023, when I first realized that my health was in trouble, I did a 1-month juice-only fast and I lost a lot of weight. Once I was diagnosed with cancer, I radically changed my diet. I went from holding a glass of wine in my hand one day to holding a head of broccoli. After 1 year of being on a raw, whole food, plant-based diet, I decided to do a 1-day juice fast per week. After a short time, I felt compelled to also include intermittent fasting as well. So for me, I don't feel that I need to have a strict fasting window because I don't want my body to get accustomed to any set time. So depending upon my schedule and how I'm feeling, I might do a 14-hour fast. To the next day, I'll do a 16 or 18-hour fast. But I always try to make sure that my dinner is complete by 7 p.m. every night. Now, after a couple of months of doing intermittent and juice fasting, I decided to do my first water-only fast, and I went for 24 hours easily. I felt amazing, and I decided that it was going to become part of my monthly health goals after that. I was in shock how good and energetic I felt without eating anything. So my longest water fast has been 48 hours, and I typically stop it because my glucose will get so low that I'll get nervous and I'll break the fast. And I'm still feeling good. So some of the side effects that I've felt after water fasting, I'll have some minor lightheadedness, I'll have the occasional headache. And from what I'm hearing, this is typical, and I can continue on to the 72-hour water fast, and I am excited to do that because of all the health benefits. Fasting is not about deprivation. It's about giving your body time to heal, to do what it's naturally designed to do when it's not constantly digesting. When we fast, we reconnect with our body's wisdom. We realize that healing doesn't always come from adding more. Sometimes it comes from doing less. If you've ever wanted to experience more energy, clarity, and peace, fasting might be the key for you. Start off gently. Listen to your body and allow the process to unfold naturally. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who is ready to start their healing journey through fasting. And remember, your body is always working for you, not against you. Give it the space to heal, and your body will surprise you with its strength and wisdom. See you on the next video.